Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by creating a library and new project with the correct resolution and frame rate. This prevents scaling and frame dropping later. Import footage now, drag files, or use import to keep originals intact, and sort clips into events so you can find takes quickly. Once done, move the library to a fast SSD and enable background render. This makes trimming and scrubbing responsive. Make sure to set proxy if you have high-resolution media, so performance stays smooth during editing. Now build your story. Drop selects onto the timeline and shape the rough cut with the select, trim, and blade tools. Keep edits intentional and pace-aware. Once you have structure, use the magnetic timeline to connect B-roll and sound effects, assign roles for dialogue/music, and insert gap clips where needed. Make basic audio adjustments and apply primary color correction to balance footage. Stabilizing shaky shots early saves time. As you refine, mark favorite takes and create compound clips when grouping multi-clip sequences. To finish, choose share and pick the right export preset, master file for archives or a device preset for quick delivery. Then set codec, resolution, and bitrate to match delivery specs. Once exported, listen through and check audio peaks, aim between -6 and -3 dB. Scan the timeline for dropped frames or sync issues and add captions if needed. If something goes wrong, recreate proxies, delete background render files, and restart Final Cut Pro. This often resolves playback and export failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.